Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you are safe and sound. Now you are staying home, so you have to play games, you have to read books, you have to make connections with other persons over phone using Skype, using Messenger, etc., etc. So, what is the relationship between you and me now? No, there is no doubt that I am a teacher here, but how we are connected here? I can't see you, but you can see me. Amazing. So, how we are connected? Through a media. What is the media? Television. Now you are in front of television. On the TV screen, you can see me. Okay? Here today we are for English second paper, grammar. I think you can guess what will be our topic today. Am I right? Yes. Our today's topic is, look at the board. Here I am welcoming you, but where? Two roads are going by, and in the middle a bridge is intersecting. What is the bridge doing? The bridge is doing a function as a connector here. So, what is the relation between this picture and our class? Our class is grammar. So, how can we relate it with our class? Let's see. If you want to cross a river, what do you need? You need to use a bridge, and this is the bridge. You will have to cross the river using this bridge. So, what is the connection between two portions? It's a sentence. It's also a sentence, but here it's a part of a sentence, and this one is also part of a sentence. Let's see what happens. Wow! If is the connector here to combine two sentence parts in one sentence. If is a connector here, and if has connected the two parts. Have you written? Can you make another sentence using if? If you want to do good in the exams, you will need to study hard. Okay? So, you have to make more and more sentences like my one. No need to memorize. Just follow this structure and write more sentences. So, what we will learn from today's lesson, these are here. You can two pictures here. Can you make sentence using this picture and using this picture? No relation between the picture and a connector, but a picture can help you to imagine, to structure a sentence, to make a sentence. Okay, try to make sentences using these two pictures. Don't worry, I am here. I will help you. we all together will do our task. First, read the sentence attentively, then write down. When it is spring, colorful flowers bloom. This picture, okay? Have you finished writing? So here, when. When is the connector. This when has connected two parts. When is spring, mustard fields become yellow. What a nice scenery. Finished writing? Okay. Now, look at the situation and read the situation attentively. First one will start from this person. Are you okay? I am deeply concerned about you. You have been depressed since you missed the new job interview. Again, I am reading. Try to write. Are you okay? I am deeply concerned about you. You have been depressed since you missed the new job interview. So, reading since. Since is the connector between the two parts. Since has connected. So, try to make new sentence using since. Not to think more. Just follow this structure and go to make a new sentence. Okay, what is he saying? He's saying more. In addition to, you have lost the former one. This person said he was concerned about this person. He also said, in addition to, you have lost the former one. So, in addition to, not. So, two connectors we have got here, since and in addition to. Here you can see another situation. Not only I have lost my former job, but I have lost my status also. Not only, but also. Sometimes you can break the connectors while using them in the sentences. Have you written? Can I read? Okay. Look at the picture. This picture is a common scenario in our country. When it is the time for Eid festival especially, we can see this scenario. Who are in Dhaka city, you can see on the screen of television, and what outside you also can see this scenario. Now, using this scenario, you have to make a sentence. Which connectors go here? Okay, the launch is overcrowded. Here I have a clue for you. What happened? The launch drowned. So, the launch is overcrowded. As a result, it may sink. As a result, the launch sank. So, the launch is overcrowded. As a result, it may sink. Now, look at the pictures, and it's a situation. It's actually an instruction. When we want to do something serially, maintaining sequence, we need use some connectors. So, in your real classroom, you would do it in groups or in pairs, but now you have to do individually because you are alone in front of the TV set. So, how? Can you make tea, coffee? Don't worry. Instruction is here. Just using some connectors, you can make a first class cup of tea. At first, then, after that, next, afterward, later, and finally. you will have to use these connectors here to make a cup of tea. You can see a picture. I can't get my head around the passive voice. Anyway, I don't think it's important to use it all the time. So anyway, it's a type of sentence connector. Write the sentence. Here is another situation. Write the sentences like a passage. Nitul was in so much pain. He didn't want to get up in the morning to go to school. Nevertheless, now he is ready to go to football practice as usual. So, nevertheless, it's also a connector. Write the situation and you will make new sentence using this connector nevertheless. Another situation. But is a linking word when it links two words. Say, you and I are friends. And here and is a linking word, just has connected you and I, two words. And he, but not his brother. Not his brother is more intelligent. More intelligent. Intelligent. He, but not his brother is more intelligent. Linked, not his brother. His brother. So, but is here linking word, just mere a conjunction. But look at this situation. Here, but has connected a sentence part. Here, but has made a relationship between this last part and this first part. Yesterday, I appeared at a certain class test. The test was ridiculously easy. I didn't even study, but I will get a high score. Where is another situation? At first, the bees collect honey from flowers. After that, they store them in the beehive. At first, after that. Underlining the connectors, write the sentence, and I say always to preserve your writing for your real classroom, because in the real classroom, inshallah, we will meet again. Read the passage, read the situation, look at the picture and make your own sentence using instead. I can make a single sentence for you. Go using this way instead of using that way. Instead, look at the screen. A number of sentence connectors we have learned, we have discussed today. So, at a glance, sentence connectors are here. Can you say what are sentence connectors? You can say connectors are used to link large group of words, phrases and sentences. You can also use them to connect paragraphs to give them coherence. Do you know what is coherence? Coherence means sequence. Maintaining sequence is coherence. Sentence connectors are usually placed at the beginning of a sentence. Note down, beginning of a sentence. I repeat, sentence connector is usually or is generally placed at the beginning of the sentence or and may be categorized as follows. Dear students, here I have underlined at the beginning of a sentence connector is used. I have also said a sentence connectors may be used at the last of a sentence too. So, here contrast, similarity, result, sequence, dismissal and order of importance. Have you made the list of sentence connectors? Yes, you have done it. Now, it's a task for you. It's a quiz for you. You will find it visiting your favorite portal, Connect. So, no need to write hurriedly right now. Let's try to utter some sentence connectors so that we can make sentences using these sentence connectors. Who, when, where, why, how, whom, which, whose, whatever, however, besides, because, after, before, for, that, and, if, so, both, or, while, as soon as, undoubtedly, also, at last, even, in fact, furthermore, unfortunately, along, similarly, above all, on the other hand, as well as, etc. Dear students, what we have learned today? Sentence connectors. A word or a group of words, that means, I mean to say, a phrase or a clause which makes a connection between a two sentence parts, or it's better to say which combines a two sentence part, is called a sentence connector. Got the point? Okay. Therefore, after that, finally, when, if, at first, in addition to, since, if, these connectors we have learned today. So, practice. You have to practice to read connectors. You have to try to make sentences using connectors. Remember, without using any connectors, your writing won't be standard. Your writing won't be coherent. I said coherence, that means sequential. So, keep practicing, studying, Keep practicing to read, read, read and read. There is no alternative to reading. If you want to know more, if you want to learn more, you have to read. You have to practice writing. So dear students, here is your homework. Dear students, don't feel any tension. Your all tasks, the whole lesson, you will find on your favorite portal only for you. The favorite portal, which one? Connect. Visit Connect and find everything here. So dear students, thank you so much.